In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a page in Canva. Whether you're working on a presentation, a social media graphic, or a simple poster, knowing how to flip elements on your page can quickly change the look and feel of your design. It's a simple feature, but once you know where it is and how it works, it can save you a lot of time. First, make sure you're logged into Canva and have your design open on the screen. You can use any kind of design for this. A template you've chosen, a custom layout you're building from scratch, or an existing project you're editing. Once your design is open, look at the page where you want to make the change. Now, start by clicking on the image or element that you want to flip. This could be a photo, an illustration, a graphic, or even a shape. When you click on it, you should see a bounding box appear around the element with handles on the corners and sides. This tells you that the item is selected and ready to be edited. With the element selected, shift your attention to the toolbar that appears above your design. Canva shows different options here depending on what you've selected. For images and most graphics, you'll see an option labeled Flip. Go ahead and click on that Flip button. When you click Flip, Canva will give you options to flip the image horizontally or vertically. Flipping horizontally mirrors the image from left to right, like turning it over along a vertical line. This is useful if you want a person or an object in a photo to face the opposite direction. Flipping vertically mirrors it from top to bottom, almost as if you're turning it upside down along a horizontal line. This can be helpful for reflections or more creative layouts. After you choose the flip direction you want, take a moment to look at your overall design. Make sure that other elements still line up properly, and adjust the placement if needed by dragging the image into the right spot. Sometimes flipping an image can change the balance of your layout, so don't be afraid to nudge things around slightly. And that's all there is to it. By clicking on the image and using the flip option at the top, you can quickly and easily flip elements in Canva and get your design looking exactly the way you want.